Miles with Stream Elixir support here. Today we're going to be covering the blacklist ignore button. It's a very simple to the point button. It's how you blacklist and ignore people. So if you want to see who's been blacklisted, you can always refer to the blacklist tab here, and it will list everyone that's been blacklisted. So what a blacklist does is it means that they will no longer be lurked by you, period, until they have been removed from the blacklist. So we'll remove everyone. So if they're on this list, they will not be automatically lurked, and there's some people who don't want to be. Some people will try to do the lurk for lurk thing and then hate it and never do it again. So this is where people like that would go. If they specifically message you and say, please stay out of my chat, I don't want you in my chat, however they may feel, you blacklist them and that's it. Super simple. If you want to ignore a person so you do not get mentioned, because when someone mentions you, which we'll cover in the settings tab, we'll go over that. It's a very big tab. It's very, very important to know what's going on in there. There's notifications in this program, and there's a notification specifically for mentions. It triggers a sound effect. So if someone's constantly mentioning you, you're going to get blown up with these sound effects. You can, however, turn them off, but you'll still get these little notifications up here when someone mentions you. So if you're tired of being mentioned and you're tired of it popping up by that person, say they're just spamming to be a jerk, you ignore them. Blah, and ignore, and it's done with. And if you want to unignore, you can just press that button right there and they're unignored. Add to the blacklist, you click this button here, put their name in, and simple as that. You can search through everyone on your list and just click this button, or you can just filter by name and click the ban button, and that's it. They're done with. So that covers the blacklist and ignore button. It was a short video, but this is an important button because you will occasionally find people who just don't want to be lurked anymore, and they will message you 90% of the time and just to ask you politely to please, stay out of their chat. You don't want to be lurked anymore, and this is how you would handle that situation. This is Stream Elixir support. I'm Miles, and I appreciate you taking your time to watch the video. You can check us out at streamelixir.com, or you can hop in our Discord at any time. Feel free to ask any of the support agents or myself, Miles, on Discord, or the Flying Pie at any time. We're here to help. We're here to answer questions. You can always drop a comment. I check the YouTube daily. I will get back to you one way or another. Our info will be listed at the bottom of the video's description. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you for checking out the video series, and I will see you later.